Ito yung ating barya ngayon guys. Ang 500 lyre. Mayroon taon na 1982. Tapusin ang video guys. Dahil mayroon itong napakagandang tulong para sa iyo na maraming hinahawakan ng mga old coins. Ang issuer nito guys ay Italy. At ginawa noong 1982 hanggang year 2001. Ang ating 500 lyre. Nagkakalaga lang ito guys dito sa Pilipinas ng 17 pesos 47 centavos. Ang currency naman ito guys ay lira. Mayroon itong composition guys na bimetallic, bronzital center, and accommonital ang kanyang ring. May timbang guys na umabot lang ng 6.8 grams. At ang kanyang diameter naman ay 25.8 mm. At mayroon din thickness na 1.8 mm. Tapos na itong nag-demonetize guys noong February 28, 2002. Ito naman guys ang ating verse, ang female head facing left. The woman symbolizes the Italian Republic with feathers, wings, coming from the temples or symbols of the intelligence and the freedom. Engravers name below the neck, cut. At merong lettering na Repubblica Italiana, Cretara. Translation, Italian Republic. Ang gumawa naman ito guys ay si Laura Cretara. At ito naman guys ang ating reverse. In the center, a view of Piazza del Quirinal, Rome, with small date in the lower position, value L500, and the vril at top of the outer ring. Aztecs at the bottom, plants on either sides. Mayroon siyang script guys na vril Latin. Ang kanya namang lettering ay R1982 or Laura Cretara. Mayroon itong ginawa guys ang ating 1982 na umabot sa 162,026,000 kapiraso. So sobrang dami guys. At 32% lamang ang kanyang frequency. Sa ating source of information sa enomista.com ay may price ito guys ng about uncirculated 32 pesos. At ang kanyang uncirculated condition 62 pesos. Continue tayo guys sa ating 500 lyre. The I-500 or Italy likely refers to the Italian 500 lyre coins, not a specific I-500 model, and its auction record depends entirely on the minting. Common 1982's 500 lyre coin are often sold for low prices, under $10 in circulated condition, with some silver 500 lyre coins fetching around $28 or more in platforms like eBay. For a prices or a precise price, check online auction site like eBay or Numismatic Forum for comparable coins. For more precise price, check online auction site like eBay or Numismatic Forum for comparable coins. At meron tayong apat na factors dito guys na maka-affecting sa ating price. Number 1, ang year. The year of minting is crucial as older or rarer coins can command higher prices. And number 2, condition. The coins condition, circulated or uncirculated, significantly impacts the value. And number 3, the materials. Silver, 500 lyre coins, particularly older ones, are more valuable than their counterparts made of other metals. Number 4, scarcity. Low mintage coins are generally more valuable. At meron tayong apat na paraan how to find the auction record. Number 1, identify the exact coin. Determine the specific year and details of your 500 lyre coin to narrow your search. Number 2, use online marketplace. Check the website like eBay or London Coins for fast sales and current listings of similar coins. And the number 3, consult coin dealer website or website from reputable coin dealers or grading services like PFAR Money, Guarantly, or PMG and NGC. Also provide price guides and historical auction result. At ito guys ang ating example guys, mayroon itong price dito sa ating selling online guys sa eBay na umabot ng 25.99 US dollars. At dahil tumaas na ang ating dollar ngayon guys, ang presyo nito guys ay umabot na ng 1,501.96 centavos ang bintahan nito guys sa ating selling online sa eBay. So maraming salamat guys sa ating panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.